There is a moment every special needs parent knows too well. When the house finally goes quiet, but the mind doesn't. Am I doing enough for my child? Will my child ever make real progress? What if I'm no longer there? If you have ever felt that, not because you are weak, but because you carry so much, then the driver's circle is for you. My name is Irene. I'm a mother raising a child with cerebral palsy. I have sat in the hospital corridors. I have cried in silence. I have questioned myself, and I've also begged God for strength. I have feared the future. I know the weight, the worries, and the loneliness that comes with this journey. But I have also discovered something life-changing. Peace, progress, and a joyful family life are possible when a family is supported, equipped, and not working alone. Most parents are not failing. They are simply unsupported, overwhelmed, and unstructured, trying to carry a load that they were never meant to carry alone. That is why I created the Driver's Circle, a 90-day coaching and support program designed to help you regain emotional strength and inner peace, reduce burnout, guilt, and anxiety, help your child's development at home, build a more stable financial income, grow spiritually and mentally, thrive in a community that understands. Inside this program, you will receive weekly growth classes on mindsets and cerebral palsy guidance, life coaching, prayers, question and answer, a step-by-step roadmap for progress using my cerebral palsy navigation method, accountability and compassionate support, a private faith-rooted community. Imagine 90 days from now, a calmer you, a stronger you, a clearer mind, a confident you, gaining back your identity and seeing a visible progress in your child. If you are tired of surviving and ready to thrive, join us in the Driver's Circle. Click the link. Don't walk this journey alone, because your breakthrough begins now.